Alright, today we're looking at a 2016 Chevrolet Equinox LT. Alright, it's got 17,000 miles on it. Navy blue metallic in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Start here on the driver's side. Everything's in really good shape here. Alright, it does have the rear backup camera. Everything down the passenger side of the vehicle is in good shape. Just a small little scuff right there. Okay, just real minor, no dents or anything. Just a small scuff right there on the wheel well there. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Get the black on black door panels, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. It does have the black cloth power driver seat. Got the mesh inserts here with the titanium up under the mesh. Driver's seat looks good. Does have the keyless entry key fob with remote start. Passenger seat cloth looks good. It is an automatic. Heated seats. Climate control area there. Going to have your entertainment system there with the backup camera, AM/FM display. I'll show you that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel. It's got Bluetooth. And then your cruise control over here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 17,766 miles on it. Now that we got it started up, I'll go ahead and take you to the home page here. Alright, it is a touch screen, so you can just kind of go through your apps. Okay, and click that, go to the radio. Let's go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright. And then of course you got your entertainment or climate control center here with your heated seats either side. Alright, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Carpet back here looks good. Got your power outlet there. Back seat cloth looks good. Same deal here. It's got the black trim, the mesh inserts with the titanium up under the mesh. Back seat's in good shape. The center console that comes down. Got your cup holders there. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, let's take a look in the back. Carpet back here looks good. Spare tire there. Okay, I'll go ahead and step to the side so you can see the depth of just how much space you got back here. Plenty of room. Got your speaker over here on this side. Another convenient power outlet here. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. 17-inch alloys. Tires are still in really good shape. Plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, it's a 2016 Chevrolet Equinox LT, 17,000 miles on it. This thing's in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.